Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the Verizon Fios backup battery. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first step, what we need to do is unplug the BBU from the wall outlet. This ensures safety while handling the unit. And then we need to open the battery compartment. So the door is typically on the front or side of the BBU. For certain models like the Telabs unit, the door is hinged on the right and opens to the right. You may need to press a latch or pull firmly to open it. So in this model here, right here, we can flip this right to left. All right, now we've opened the unit. We need to go ahead and disconnect the old battery here. So carefully detach the red positive and black negative wires from the battery terminals. And then from there, insert the new battery. Reconnect the black and red wires to the corresponding terminals. And then close the battery compartment, ensure it snaps or latches securely. And then last step here is to plug the BBU back into the wall outlet, so the unit should power up and any battery related alarms should cease.